Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux as a virtual machine. So firstly you need to download Virtualbox. If you go to the link in the description, you should see something similar to this. And what you want to do is you want to click the corresponding options. So if you're on a Windows operating system, click Windows hosts. If you're on a MacBook or iMac, click the OS X hosts. If you're on Linux, click Linux distributions. Seeing as I'm on Windows, I'm going to click the Windows host, and you should get an application like similar to this. If you run it, you should get a wizard, so just click next. At this stage you can change the location of where it is installed. However, I like it where it is going default, so I'm going to keep it all default settings. Just click next and click next again. Proceed with the installation now. Just click yes and install. Now you will get a pop-up. Just click yes. Sorry if the screen went black. That usually happens when it gets it wants admin access privileges. Now the installation is complete, so we can just click finish, and it should launch the I think it's called the manager. Yep, the VirtualBox manager, and it should look similar to this. Now all you need to do is go to offensivesecurity.com and go to Kali Linux VirtualBox images. And if you're running a 64-bit processor operating system like I am, then you want to download the Kali Linux 64-bit VBox. Just click the name. However, if you're on a 32-bit system, just get the 32-bit. So I'm going to click the download for the Kali Linux. However, I've already downloaded it because it does take a little, quite a while, in fact, because it is the entire operating system. Once it's downloaded, just drag it onto the desktop and you can follow along with this video now. So now that we've got the VirtualBox manager and Kali Linux, you can close this manager, close the window, and double click the Kali Linux pre-built system, and it will open the manager again, but in fact it will start importing the settings, so you don't have to touch anything. You can do it via ISO, and I will leave the link in the description for that video. However, it's a little bit more complicated, and I find this way a lot easier. So just leave all the settings as they are and just click import. So it will start importing the appliance. While that's doing this, you can go back to virtualbox.org and click the extension pack. This is required because it's useful, well, in fact it's needed because it's support for USB 2.0 and 3.0 devices, and this pre-built system uses them. So you need to install the extension pack. Just click all supported platforms and open it. So if we click OK, it should start downloading. So now if you click on that file, this should come up. You are about to install a VirtualBox extension pack. Just click install, scroll down to the bottom and click I agree. Then click yes on the pop-up window. Then it'll say installing extension pack. It's installed correctly. You may have two windows up, just close one. Now that in fact I've got three for some reason. Oh sorry, I double clicked on it by accident. So anyway, we've installed the extension pack, and it's in fact imported the pre-built Linux system. So if you click on it so it's highlighted, you can go to settings and you can change the name if you want. I'm going to just change the name to Kali 2017, so each different operating system is unique. The settings are all perfect for the Kali Linux system. So 2 megabytes is plenty. 2 processors is fine. However, you can change the settings to 3, up to 4 if you want, depending on your system. I've got 8 cores, but 2 is enough. There's not much else you have to change. The video memory is fine. The storage is perfect. Just make sure that in the network you've got the NAT. If it's on that network, just change it to NAT. Click OK, and now we can run the operating system. Let's just minimize the internet browser, make this a little bit bigger. Now if we click start. Just give it a second, it should load. And it will automatically boot Kali Linux, so there's no installation needed. If you click, just leave it blank here, so in fact let me make it bigger. If you don't click anything, it will auto boot into the main menu. Don't worry if it keeps refreshing a few times, just don't press anything. To close out of the notifications, just press the blue X's. And the username is root. And the password is TOOR. Click sign in. I will leave all the login information in the description. You can change them. I'm not going to show how in this video, but as you can see, Kali Linux is in fact booted. You have the applications window with all the password attacks, exploitations, etc. So now that you've installed Kali Linux, we can begin with the course. So if this video did help, please hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next video.